Welcome to the world of musical notation, where we use symbols and marks to represent sounds and rhythms. Musical notation is a way of writing down music so that it can be played by others. It's a fundamental part of music theory and is used by musicians all around the world. The staff is the foundation of musical notation, and it consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Each line and space represents a different pitch, and the notes are placed on the staff to indicate the pitch and rhythm. The staff is used for a wide range of instruments and vocal music. Notes are the building blocks of musical notation, and they come in different shapes and sizes to represent different pitches and rhythms. The shape of the note indicates its pitch, and the stem indicates its rhythm. Notes can be connected together to form chords and melodies. The piano keyboard is a great way to visualize the staff and notes, and it's used by musicians to practice and perform music. The keys on the piano correspond to the notes on the staff, and the hammers striking the strings produce the sound. The violin is a popular instrument that uses musical notation to produce beautiful and expressive music. The notes on the staff indicate the pitch and rhythm, and the bowing techniques used by the musician add dynamics and emotion to the music. Rests are an important part of musical notation, and they indicate silence or a pause in the music. Rests come in different lengths, just like notes, and they help to create rhythm and structure in the music. Dynamics are an important part of musical notation, and they indicate the volume or intensity of the music. Dynamics can be used to create contrast and add emotion to the music, and they are often indicated by words or symbols on the staff. Time signatures are an important part of musical notation, and they indicate the rhythm and meter of the music. Time signatures are usually indicated by a fraction, with the top number indicating the number of beats in a measure, and the bottom number indicating the type of note that gets the beat. Practice is an important part of learning musical notation, and it helps to develop skills and build confidence. Musicians can practice by playing along with recordings, working with a teacher, or using interactive apps and software. Thanks for watching. Visit Musicogram for interactive apps and to continue learning about musical notation.
Hello! Let's make some music! Look, the notes are becoming clearer!